This is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today we're going to be repairing some costume jewelry. So we have two pieces here. One is this Christmas tree. It lost a little stone from it. And then we have this dog. It's both of these are pins. It has like a purple eye, so we're going to remove this purple eye and put these ones in instead. So these are kind of like projects that like you DIY essentially. And in terms of selecting glue, you want something that's for jewelry and it's going to dry clear. So super glues, they're oftentimes like everyone's got like a super glue laying around. They dry fast, but they oftentimes leave like a white frost on them, and that's not necessarily good for something like this. This GS Hypo Cement designed specifically for jewelry, for beading and other hobbies, and for cementing like these types of stones and crystals. So that's what we're going to use. This is pretty straightforward. We're going to just put this into the missing spot. This one we have to remove the stone, and then we're going to glue these two in. Okay, so we're checking out the back of the pin, make sure that everything's functional on it. So it's the same type of mechanism as the tree, so we can pinch this closed a little bit, just make it a little bit more secure, and this seems to be working just fine. Nothing's crazy going on with it, so let's give it a quick pinch and call it a day with that. And you can see that this goes over, and yep, there you go, locks in, looks great. Sometimes these bend, and the pin right here, the point might not be set into this section very well, and as a result this might just fall out. And sometimes these get pretty loose, so a little bit of very gentle pinching is usually the remedy, or gentle bending of this will fix the problem. So, but both of these pins, the tree and this dog, are in good shape. So yeah, we're all set here. Now we can address the eyes. All right, so there we go. The eye is out. You could see that this is a foil back. So it's got a little bit of like a gold thing on the back, and that this basically is a foil back. So that's commonly used in costume jewelry. So what we're gonna want to do is remove the remaining foil that's in here and the remaining glue, clean that up a little bit, and then we'll put our new beads of glue with our stones in there. All right, so we're gonna put the eyes in now. So a little bit of the like trickiness maybe of replacing some of this is getting the right size stones. So you honestly have to measure everything in millimeters when it comes to the stones. So if you have calipers, that's super helpful. You can figure out the size. These are like 2.5 millimeter stones. And another way of measure, you could just get a couple different sizes that you think might be close, and then try and see which ones work, what looks the best, and then give it a go. So since it's costume jewelry, it's kind of not really that big of a deal. Just try and get what works. Like we wanted these to be color matched, so we kind of like just ordered two of the same. So, but yeah, the eyes are in now. It's just a matter of waiting 24 hours and they'll be all set. All right, well, there we go. We've got 2 minor costume jewelry repairs, just, gluing some stones. That is like the most frequent kind of like issue you end up having with costume jewelry. So pretty simple, straightforward. So thanks very much for joining us today. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll see you next time. Bye.